doing?
You wave everybody hello.
Loose. It's just water, baby.
I'd rather chew on the hose. Hey, Levi, you're kind of mellow, huh?
It's Miss Penny.
Hey, that's how you turn it on, Laura. Don't do that.
Good girl. Good girl. I don't know who you are, but good girl.
That's Penny, isn't it?
Yes. You're good.
Look
No,
at Luce.
I cheated. I saw the color.
I feel like when you watch them, you can't really see their collar.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're getting too...
Furry.
You're getting too furry.
Too furry.
Go on, Luce. Look how brave. Right under the hose.
Abby. What are you doing?
Good girl. I'm good girl. Good girl.
Hey, Levi.
You're so good. So good.
Lucy and Ruby drinking from the hose.
Just like a big baby.
Oh, that's Mr. Levi.
Just like a big baby. Hard, not too hard.
Do they bark?
Yeah, but we try to get them not to.
Right.
Okay.
Go on in, Luce. Good girl. All right. You did it.
Oh boy. So the pink, hot pink.
It's in there. Lucy
Yeah, it's black.
and
Penny.
And Penny? Oh,
Oh, that's delicious.
what's happening?
Oh, that's delicious.